All right. Hello, everyone. Thank you all for joining us today. My name is Will, and I'm one of the digital solutions specialists here at Cengage. And today I am joined by Kinza. She's one of our student ambassadors. And over the next 30 minutes, we will be giving you a guided tour of WebAssign. WebAssign is an online learning platform which includes the full ebook plus several supplementary learning activities, such as videos, tutorials, homework quizzes, and test preparation tools. Hopefully by now you've had a chance to register for your instructor's WebAssign course. If not, I'll provide a quick overview of registration methods here before passing it off to Kinza, who's going to give you a tour of the WebAssign platform. Your instructor may have provided you with a WebAssign registration link. Clicking on the link will allow you to create your Cengage student account and enroll in WebAssign. Your instructor may have also shared a course key with you, which is a unique identifier for your instructor's WebAssign course. You can enroll into the course after creating your account at account.cengage.com. If you have previously used a Cengage product, you can sign in with your existing account. If this is your first time using a Cengage product, click on New User, Create Account. We recommend using your institutional email address during this process. When you click Next, you'll receive the following screen. A validation email will be sent to the email address you used during the account creation process. This is an important step that must be completed before you can access WebAssign. This is what the activation email looks like. Click on Activate Cengage Account to complete the account creation process. If your instructor has not shared a WebAssign course key with you, there should be a registration link within your institution's learning management system, which is the website where you access all of your courses. The screenshot we see here is from Brightspace, otherwise known as D2L. Your instructor may have placed a WebAssign registration link, as we see here, or may have links to quizzes that will take you to WebAssign directly. The screenshot in the slide here shows a link for MindTap, but finding the link for your WebAssign course will look very similar to this. It might just be titled WebAssign an ebook or Access WebAssign here instead. Here's a screenshot from Blackboard. Here's a screenshot from Moodle. And here's a screenshot from Canvas. If you have more questions about registering for WebAssign, please consult your course outline, syllabus, or announcements that your instructor has shared with you. For further help, we'll be sharing Cengage Canada's customer support information at the end of this session. I will now pass things off to Kinza, who will dive straight into WebAssign. Just give us one moment so she can share her screen with us.
Hi everyone, my name is Kinza and I'm a student ambassador for Cengage as well as student MacEwan University. Today I would like to walk you through the features of WebAssign, which I use for my statistic course, and it's been a huge help for me to keeping it organized and understanding difficult concepts throughout the course. I'm really excited to show how these features help me ace my course, and let's dive right in. So this is the main home page. Here is the navigation menu, and here you can find assignments as well as ebooks, calendar, and grades. So first, let's go through the ebook. So the ebook is right here, which is found in the navigation menu. And you can press on it and access the specific course book you want to go to. So on the front page, you will find all the chapters that are available on this course. So here, let's go through chapter 1. So it will open to a page where you have already been studying. However, if you have not been studying, it will open on the front page, but will show you as a table of contents. And here you can go to any specific part you want to read or go through. However, you can go right through the right arrow and you can go through left by using the left arrow. So for example, one of the best features on this book is you can highlight, create notes, make a speaker option, and flashcards. So let's go through each one. So first, For highlighting, if you like to highlight and you want that specific text to pop out, you can highlight a specific area of text and choose your favorite color, for example blue, and it will keep it highlighted. So whenever you're going through these pages, you can remember this is what I highlight. And then for example, now you want to make a note. So here you can highlight a specific text and write add note. And here you can write definition of mass. And press the option save. This will keep it saved, and whenever you go back to it, you can remember, like go to it directly, and it will mention definition of mass. Also, if you prefer listening to a book or if you're a textual learner, there's also the read speaker option up there. So here you can just click on the read speaker option. And this is a great tool as it is helpful when you're reviewing or multitasking and you can listen to the page or specific parts you want to. Also, you can make flashcards. For example, you can highlight the specific text and press the option add flashcard, and you can write the redefining of 1967. And then press the option save, and it will save it for you. And also you can like shuffle the deck option, where if you have so many flashcards already, it will shuffle it and you can test yourself on it. While you can go on the previous card option and it will show which cards you have already saved. So the next option, let's go to the back to the WebAssign homepage. Here we're going to go through assignments now. So this is the section where you will find all your assignments that have been assigned to you. It's called My Assignments, and these are the names that would be specifically like Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3 for each week. And here you can see a due date, which will show you, which you can add in your calendar specifically and make a study plan, which is also a great tip to keep you organized and up to date with your course. So let's go through the Chapter 2. So when you open this page, it opens most of the assignments. All of the assignments will show you as this page. This will show you a question option as well as the points option. So you can either go down, like scroll down, or scroll up, or you can just press the specific question and it will make you go through, go to it directly. While the points option shows you how much points you earn on that specific question. It could be 1 out of 1 if you did perfectly good on that question, or it could be 0 out of 1 if you did not get that question right. This part shows you what you are supposed to do in your assignment submission and scoring, and how you should submit it, as well as how the scoring will work. So here, let's go on question 3. So for this option, you can also put in the specific numbers, and this will help you move it. If you press the plus option, if you press the -1, it will decrease it. Well, you can also put in the value specifically, for example 20, and then it can just make that velocity graph for you. This is one of my favorite features, is the Master It feature. It walks you through as a problem solving step by step. So you can go through it one step and then you need to submit it, or if you're confused, you can skip it. But however, you will not be able to come back and change your answer after it. So it will go through the next step, but you cannot gain the point you lost on the first step. And the second option is the read it option. So for example, let's go through question 4. You're confused upon this specific question. You want more textual learning on this specific question. So you can press the option of read it, and this link will take you directly to the corresponding section of the ebook. So you can quickly review it, and it will understand the specific question related to it. The third option for me is I'm a more of a visual learner. It is the watch it. So this option provides an engaging video regarding the specific question, but however, it's with different values, and another person guides you through it and goes through the same question step by step. And it is a perfect feature that helps you engage as you can see things more in like action and visually. The fourth option is practice another question. This is one of my favorite feature as it does not affect your grade it does not affect your main grade as you can practice that same question with different values. And here, for example, you can enter these values and you can check your score, which I did poorly, but here you can keep on trying until you ace your question, and then you can attempt your main question that your professor has assigned to you so you can get a full mark. And the last feature I would like to talk about is the ask your teacher feature. However, if it's mostly like whenever you're stuck on the question, don't hesitate to use this feature. But it is important to remember that if your professor has made this option available for you, so this option allows you to send a direct message to your professor. For example, you're stuck on this question, you can write, "Hey, can we talk? Can I drop by your office so I can discuss this question?" And you can send it directly to them and they will receive it and they can reply to you. So we're done this, the assignment section. Let's go back onto the home page. So on the right side of your home page, you can see the My Class Insights. This is an incredibly useful tool as it gives you a clear picture of how you're performing in your course. And it shows you areas where you need to study or you're doing well. And also it highlights the area where you need more practice. And it's an amazing tool which can help you ace your midterms as well as your quizzes or final exams. So on this page, you can see different status colors. The green status mark, which is a green check mark, shows you that you have aced that specific section. For example, 6.8, I'm good with it, I've aced it, and I have got it on my, I've got the questions regarding that section on my first try, and I do not need more practice on this specific section. However, for like the status that shows a yellow, it shows that I'm moderately good, but I do need more practice as I may have not gotten it on my first attempt. I got it correct on my second attempt, so you can press the option of practice or go to your assignments and it will go back to the assignment where you were stuck at. While for example, this question, I was stuck at it, and this is the main question that is related to 6.4. Same goes for the last option, which is the red. This shows that you did not get the answer either of the section and you're confused about it. You need to do more study and you earn less than 60% on the points. So this option is pretty useful as before midterms or exams, you can just go through the sections that are red and yellow and finish them up and you would be good to go. So if I go back to the home page, now you have the option for resources. So these resources are available for your books, available for you depending on your course. You may find lectures, PowerPoints, animation that can provide you extra support. Some students prefer PowerPoints instead of ebooks because that combines into one page, like one PowerPoint where you can go through each section. For example, chapter 1 PowerPoint, you can save it and then go ahead and access it. There you go. So here you can go ahead and access through each of it. So if you like everything compiled in one place, this is a perfect resource for you. and they can be really helpful into reinforcing of what you have learned in class. And the last tool is a personal study plan, which is available mostly for like many. This can be found on your homepage if you scroll down right underneath your grades. So it is mostly available for several physics as well as mathematics books. However, if you do not see it here on your homepage, it could be because that specific course does not include this feature, or your professor may not have enabled the access for it. So if you do not have this feature, don't worry. There are also other features that are amazing on WebAssign where you can go through it. So personal study plan also has pretty much the same features that have already gone through. So here, if I go through chapter 1, you can go through the practice quiz option and tutorial option. This can guide you through. If you just want to practice the specific section, you can go to the practice question quiz, and if you want to watch it or you want like different options, you can go to and watch the tutorials. Also, if you want to like check out the whole, like how you're doing in the whole chapter, you can attempt the chapter quiz, and it is a compilation of all the sections questions together, and it kind of gives you an idea where you're standing before the exam. So these are the main features that have helped me ace this course and understand difficult concepts, and I hope you can, these explaining these features have kind of like opened up how like to use them and how you can access them, and I hope you can easily use these features, and I hope you have a great semester.
Well, thank you so much, Kinza, for such an in-depth look at WebAssign, and thank you for sharing so many valuable insights about your own experiences using WebAssign. I thought that was absolutely, it was so fascinating to hear how what you find useful and how you use the platform. I'd like to thank everyone for joining our session today. We will be emailing those who have registered for we'll be emailing those who have registered for our webinar a recording of the session. So please keep an eye out in your inbox. It should be sent sometime around September 30th. If you need any registration help, please feel free to visit us at cengage.ca/startstrong. And if you're looking for any additional tips, please also feel free to visit cengage.ca/student ambassador to hear more about how our student ambassadors like to use our platforms. Thank you so much, and I'm wishing you all the best with the upcoming semester. Have a great day. Bye.